Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create a saved location for photos captured with a defined proximity. For example, you could create a saved location that encompasses all of New York City. To create a saved location, display the map module. Then navigate to a location on the map that you want to use as a saved location. Make sure that the entire area you want to be part of the saved location appears within the map. Then find the Saved Locations panel at the left side of the map module. Click the plus-shaped Create New Preset button in the Saved Locations panel header. The New Location dialog box then appears on screen. Type a name for the saved location into the Location Name field. You can save the location into the default My Locations folder, or you can use the folder drop-down menu to create a new folder. In the Options section of the New Location dialog box, you'll see the Radius slider bar. This bar defines the radius of your location from the center of the visible map area. Notice that the size of the location increases and decreases as you move the slider back and forth. The text box to the right of the slider bar displays the current size of the location. You can use the drop-down menu on the right to display the location size in kilometers, meters, miles, or feet. You can also click into the text box and replace the current size with a size of your choosing if you want your saved location to be a specific size. If you check the private checkbox option, Lightroom Classic CC removes all IPTC location metadata when photos in the saved location are exported. This includes removing GPS coordinates, sublocations, cities, states, countries, and country codes. When you're satisfied with the settings in the New Location dialog box, click the Create button. The new location then appears on the map surrounded by a circle. You'll see a circular pin in the center of the location and a second pin along the perimeter boundary of the location. You can click and drag the center pin to move the location on the map without changing its size. You can click and drag the perimeter pin to increase or decrease the size of the saved location. You can also easily add photos to the saved location by simply clicking and dragging photos from the film strip into the circle on the map. You can also click the checkbox to the left of the location name in the Saved Locations panel to add a selected photo to the location. You'll see a new photo pin added to the map when you add a photo to a saved location. When you have more than one saved location, you can quickly move between them within the map module. To do this, simply click the arrow-shaped Show This Location in the Map icon that appears to the right of a location's photo count within the Saved Locations panel. Lightroom Classic CC then displays the saved location in the preview area. To edit a saved location, right-click the name of the location in the Saved Locations panel, and then choose the Location Options command from the pop-up menu that appears. The Edit Location dialog box then displays. Make whatever changes you need to within this location, and then click the Save button. Lightroom Classic CC saves your changes and closes the dialog box. To remove a location from the Saved Locations panel, right-click the location within the panel, and then choose the Delete command from the pop-up menu. Removing a location does not remove the photos from that location that have been added to the map. It simply removes the defined location from the Saved Locations panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.